Sienna, what's wrong with you?
I saw him today.
Who? Where?
At the mall. With Gabby.
Well, what'd you see exactly?
He was dressed as Santa Claus.